experiment is about how to grow your own gummy bear. This is from the Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory Challenge crest that I got from the Gloucestershire brownies in the UK. Yeah, so we're gonna put the gummy bears in water, salt water, and nothing, and we'll see how much they grow in 2 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, and we'll see how many survive in the next 2 minutes. Okay, we're gonna keep stirring and adding salt and keep stirring until no more is dissolved. Then it's saturated. Just keep stirring. Now we're gonna measure how long they are and how wide.
It's 2.
2 centimeters long, and how wide?
How wide? Like 9 millimeters.
Okay, that's pretty good. So we've cooled off the salt water, and we're just measuring how long each of them are before you put them in the water. Write it down. Write it down on your sheet. What will happen?
Well, I think for the one with nothing in it, I think it's gonna grow like maybe.
Are you sure it just grows by itself?
I don't know, but maybe like it's gonna melt a little bit because it's gonna be in there for a very long time. So then it's gonna go a little bit.
So it's 2.5 grams. Okay, can you measure a different one just so you can see? Oh, it's 2.6, 2.5. 2.5. Okay, I can write 2 point. Could do one more. Okay, 2.5 grams. You've got one each? All right, so put them in. Time 0, water. Okay. And that's the salt water. What do you think will happen?
That one, I just think they're gonna like stay the same. Nothing's gonna happen. And that one, I think they're just gonna like get like liquid. And this one I think is gonna get bigger.
Okay. I don't think we should eat it after. It'll be too yucky. Okay, that's a good hypothesis. Thanks. It looks like the one in salt water is getting a lot smaller. Why is that?
Maybe because the salt poked tiny holes inside, and then the gummy bear sort of like deflated.
It's a bit of a surprise. The gummy bears in water grew a lot more than the gummy bears in salt water. So just to finish this off, I want to talk about why the gummy bear in water grows so quickly. Because gummy bears are made with a lot of sugar, okay, and water inside the jelly. So when you soak it in water, water molecules want to rush in to equalize the water content on both sides. And when you have salt water, it's just not gonna, water's just not gonna rush in the same way, so it didn't change as much. And that process is called osmosis. You can map out your observations in a graph just like this, and you can see how the length and the width and the mass changes. Okay, hope you had fun.